We're going to study now a tool to understand acid and bases in a qualitative way. So, and that tool is called ARIO. We're going to see what is the meaning of each of these words, but this is again to do qualitative analysis. And so we're going to learn how we can determine, for example, the strength, relative strength of acids and bases using this tool and not the pKa chart in case we don't have it. So that is very useful tool. So let's see what each of these letters mean. This stands for atom. This is resonance effects. This is inductive effects. And I'm going to explain in a minute applied to what? Inductive. And this right here is orbital. And I am talking about the following reactions. Say that we have a generic acid, and now it is in water. And I'm going to write, acid, base, so conjugate base, conjugate acid. And I'm going to analyze now where is the equilibrium shifted base, so how strong is the acid but base on this tool. So we're going to see how these factors affect the stability of this anion. And as we can see here on this reaction as I drew it, is that any factors that help stabilize, so the more stable this is, the equilibrium will be more shifted to products. If it is this side, it's more stable than that side, let's say. So we will have an equilibrium constant that's larger than 1, so favoring product side. So we're going to be looking at what factors modify the stability of that anion. And in that sense, we're going to be studying in what type of atom, considering the periodic table, is a negative charge. So where is it? On a carbon, on an oxygen, for example, and then do we have resonance effects? In other words, can we stabilize that anion by resonance? That's the second. I refers to inductive. Do we have, for example, close to the negative charge, do we have something like an electron withdrawing group or atom that helps stabilize that charge? And lastly, we're going to see, is the charge on an sp2 orbital or an sp3? So this is how we're going to use that. So first, let's do one by one. We're going to be analyzing each of these factors. I'm going to go that in another video.